अरे क्या करते अभी रोजचं यांचं म्हटलं.
Hello, madam. Hello. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग
यस सर,
स्टूडेंट्स.
बोलिए.
आवाज आ रहा है ना मैडम?
हाँ सर. इट्स
हाँ, ओके.
your
स्क्रीन.
screen is also visible. Yes.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you. Okay, good morning, all students. As it's the 27th February, but on tomorrow, on 28th February, there is a National Science Day celebrated all over the India. But since tomorrow is your Sunday holiday, therefore we are celebrating it today. National Science Day celebrated by BMC Education Department online teaching, English medium standard 9th. The National Science Day is celebrated to tribute the Nobel laureate Sir C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman is the great physicist from India who achieved the Nobel Prize, who got the Nobel Prize. So to remember, to give a tribute to him, Indian government, all the science department in India, all school colleges celebrate National Science Day on 28th February. The life of Chandrasekhar Venkatramana. C.V. Ramana is in full Chandrasekhar Venkatramana was born at Tiruchirappalli in southern India on November 7th, 1888. His father was lecturer in mathematics and physics, so that from the first he was immersed in an academic atmosphere. He already got an academic atmosphere from his home since his father is a good educationist. Next, he entered the Presidency College, Madras in 1902 and in 1904 passed his examination, winning the first in 1907. He gained his MA degree, obtaining the highest distinction. He discovered the Raman effect and won a Nobel Prize in physics for discovery. Every year on 20th February, National Science Day is celebrated to pay tribute to the Nobel laureate Dr. C.V. Raman. The work of C.V. Raman is he established and president of Indian Journal Physics, Indian Academy of Science, Current Science Association, etc. These are the only limited publications and the presidents of the organization I told here, but he is the president and establishes numerous of the organization. He published his work on the molecular diffraction of light, which led to his ultimate discovery of the radiation effect on 20th February 1928 and gained him to receive the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He became the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is the very precious prize given in the outstanding work done by the scientist, the peacemaker, for their outstanding work. The Nobel Prize in world most topmost prize, it is Nobel Prize for your outstanding work in physics, chemistry, biology, for peace, for literature, etc. The awards and honor other than Nobel is achieved by C.V. Raman is he became a fellow of Royal Society in 1928, got Nobel Prize in 1930, got a Franklin Medal in 1941. Then the Indian government Bharat Ratna, the topmost award given by Indian government is Bharat Ratna. In 1954 he got. Then he got a Lenin Peace Prize also in 1957. Now, what he discovered, what does it actually means? What is Raman effect? He discovered a Raman effect. What does this actually mean? Raman effect, change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecules. What happens when a beam of white light, when a beam of light, the light from a sun, light from a white tube light, etc., entered through any transparent medium, the beam get deflected by the molecules of that material. Understood? When a beam of light travels a dust-free transparent sample of a chemical compound, a small fraction of light emerge in a direction other than that of the incident line. What happened? See, this is the beam and this is the diffracted beam. It gets slightly different direction other than the direction of beam light. Understood? A small fraction of light emerge in a direction other than that of the incident line. Therefore, a white beam gets scattered into the numerous individual wavelength, individual light color. Understood? A white light get scattered into the 7 color known as Weigbore: violet, yellow, green, blue, red, etc. So this is what a Raman effect actually. Raman effect explains why sun is red at the time of sunrise and sunset. It also explains why the sky looks blue at the daytime. Raman effect explain why sea looks blue, why ocean looks blue. These are the explanation given by Raman effect. That's why it's a very important and significant work done by C.V. Raman and got Nobel Prize for his work. The National Science Day celebrated every year in India have a different theme for each year. There are the Department of Science and Technology Indian government set the theme for every year. Now this year for 2021 the theme is Future of STI, Impacts on Education, Skills and Work. Future of STI, Future of Science, Technology and Innovation. What is the future for science, technology and innovation? What's its impact on the education, skills and work? What is science actually? The things we are doing today is science, but tomorrow it will become a technology. That is, internet was invented by Winsert in 1991, and in today's date, we are using it as a technology. This is the future of science. It will get converted to the technology to use most. What is education? Education is key of success in future. If you study well, you will get success in your life. What is skill? All persons have different skills. In every person there is a skill like painting, playing, reading, etc. If you will done, if you will once found your skill, then no one may stop you to achieve success in life. What happen? Every individual is different from other. That difference makes from your skill. Whatever the other thing you do best way, whatever the other thing you do in your best way is your skill. Whatever that skill is, like painting, playing, reading, watching, studying, etc. There are lots of things that individual create its his or her interest, and it becomes his skill, and through skill he can achieve a good personality, successful life in his future. Now this is how the science day celebrated. The one of the thought given by Dr. C.V. Ravan is as you can't always choose who comes in your life, but you can learn what lesson they teach you. It's not in our hand that who will come in your life as a teacher, friend, brother, sister, siblings, parents, whoever, the neighbors. But whatever the lesson they teach should be learned by us. every humankind gives lesson. Whoever comes in our life gives lesson. But what we have to do, we have to learn the lesson given by those individuals whoever comes in our life. Thank you. This is our Science Day. Go and search about the C.V. Raman, his Raman effect, the awards and the fellowship he got, the work he did, the uh, achievements he got, his publishment, he's published, and lots of many more work he done in India. The remarkable is Raman effect, which he got Nobel Prize in it. But other than Raman effect also, he did lots of work in physics. Go and search for it. Go and search for the uh, theme for a national day other than this year. For previous years, you can search the theme for national day. Think on it. The national day, the National Science Day is celebrated by reading, painting, by quiz competition, by experiment, then exhibition, the field visit, etc. But due to COVID-19, this year we have to celebrate it by online lecture. So here we end the National Science Day. Every student should read about the life of Dr. C.V. Raman. He's a great scientist, Indian scientist, who named our country, India, in the world. The why the Nobel Prize is remarkable for us? Because no scientist among the Asian continent achieved Nobel Prize till 1930. So C.V. Raman becomes the first scientist from India to achieve a Nobel Prize in science. So therefore it is remarkable. Why we celebrate National Science Day? National Science Day celebrated on 28th February because he got the Nobel Prize on that day in 1930. Therefore, the date is very remarkable and very significant to the Indians. Therefore, we celebrate it as a National Science Day. Okay, now continuing our syllabus, that is, we were learning, we were discussing about the 14th chapter, that is substance in common use. Substance in common use. Now, our today's topic, we till we had seen the salt, radioactivity, uses of salt, examples of salt. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to see the chemical substance in food and dye. What are the different chemical substance? What does it cause? How it is mixed in food and dye? The chemical substance in food and dye. Food we eat and the color we use for the different purposes. How, that is. Chapter number 14, Substance in Common Use, by Mr. Gautam Vankar, Ganesh Nagar MPS Secondary School, Kandivali West. Some chemical substance in day-to-day life. The food that we eat, objects like clothes, utensils, watches, medicines, and other objects are made from various kinds of matter. See where the color is mixed. It mixes in different items like the food we eat, the objects like clothes, utensils, watch, medicines, all those objects or those materials have a different color. What a different color food we eat. The cake, ice cream, the hotel. In hotel we see the different color of many food. Clothes of different color. utensils of different color, watches, luxurious watches, attractive watches, medicines have a different in color. These affect our health directly or indirectly, but the color used in those items affect our health directly or indirectly. Food color and essence. Food colors are mixed in most soft drink and foodstuff available in the market. The color is mostly used to attract the customers. So it is mixed in soft drink, foodstuff, whatever the food material available in market. These food colors are in the form of powder, gels, and paste. These food colors are in the form of either in powder or gel or paste. Those colors are. The food colors are in domestic as well as commercial product. The food colors are in domestic as well as commercial product. Either we used in our home or at a commercial product in hotel, restaurant, factories, industries, etc. The certain colors and essence are added to ice cream, ice candy, sauce, fruit juice, cold drink, pickles, jam, jelly, etc. Lots of. When you visit any of the restaurant, hotel, you may find various examples where to attract the customers, they mix the color in various of their atom. The luxurious, the attractive ice cream they kept open, the candies, sauce, juice, cold drinks, etc. Food colors are often found to be added to packed meat, chicken, mutton. In the foreign countries, the flesh of a animal or the meat, that is chicken, mutton, they got as a packed food. The factory packed this food and supplied to the customer. Those packed food to, to make them remain fresh and looks like it's fresh, the factory or the owner put color in it. Chili powder, turmeric, sweets, and other similar substances so as to give them a good color. Now, to give the color to this meat, various colorful masalas or the colors may mixed with them, like chili powder, turmeric, sweet, etc. But there are harmful effect of artificial food colors also. Food colors added to pickles, jam, and sauce contain small quantities of lead and mercury. You might have remember the Maggie in last few years had banned because it is found that it contains a lead. Lead, LEAD, lead is an chemical element. It's a element which causes harmful effect to our health, and mercury also causes a very harmful effect to our health. It may cause a death. Mercury is a very harmful substance elements. So those lead and mercury got added to the food color, which ultimately causes the disease to our body. These can be harmful for those who consume these products on regular basis. On the regular basis, you may instructed by your parents or school teachers that not to eat a street food because street food contains those lead and mercury mostly. The street food is tasty, looks good, attractive, and cooked very fast. So, to have such a property, the industrialist, the commercialist added most of the chemical substance to it, but it makes harmful to the human body by such a chemical substance, that is lead, mercury, etc. The disease like ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, can affect children due to excessive consumption of foods with added food color. The disease like ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This is the disease found in children. Due to this disease, the children will not get attention in their classroom, attention in their doing. They remain in their own thinking. So such a disease may caused due to those chemical substance added in the food or food. Okay. Excessive consumption of this food added food colors. So see the pictures. These are the drinks of different color. These are the chemical color mixed in those drinks. It's looking attractive, but actually it's harmful to our health, since the chemical substance mixed in it may cause various disease for a human body. Understood? The stomach disorder, or the it may damage the digestive system. It may create a what, skin cancer, bone cancer, etc. And see this, the food thali in your restaurant also decorated well by adding numerous chemicals, food colors in it, but the decoration may cause the disease to a human body, since if the chemical, the food colors used mixed in it is harmful to us. Now the next topic is dye. Dye is nothing but a color. The colored substance which on applying on an article imparts that color to the article is called a dye. What is dye actually? It actually is a colored substance. Dye is a colored substance which on applying to an article, whenever we apply this colored substance to any of the object article, imparts that color to the article. It gives its own color to the applied article, applied object. Such a substance is called dye. Okay, dye is soluble in water and insoluble in oil. Dye can be soluble mixed with water but not with oil. Mordant is used to fix the color after dyeing a cloth. When we dye a cloth, then to fix the color remain on the cloth for more duration, for more time period, mordant is used. Next, plants are main source of color for preparing a natural dye. To get a natural dye, plants are the main source. Okay. The root, leaves, flowers, bark, fruit, seeds, fungus, and pistils are used for making dyes. So every part of the plant, every part of the plant, that is root, leaves, flower, bark, fruit, seeds, everything can be used to make dye. Since the parts of plant is colorful and have a various numerous chemicals in it, different chemicals in them, therefore it can give a numerous color, so can be used as the natural dye. In Kashmir, a very good dye is made from saffron, which is used to dye fibers from which saris, shawls, and dress are made. These are very costly. Since the Kashmiri saffron is very costly, mostly the saffron is used for food, but it also give a good color dye, a good dye. That's why it's very costly. Many people are engaged in this occupation as their means of earning a livelihood. Now, the shawls, blanket, such things are made in Kashmir, cool areas. So the people engaged as in their occupation of dyeing a cloth. The use of henna leaves to color hair is safe for health. Now most of have a habit or have an interest to color their health, but don't use a chemical color to color your hair. Use henna leaves, a natural plant, to color the to color your hair. This is henna leaves. This is henna leaves and a henna powder making from made from those henna leaves. This is a saffron. Kashmiri saffron looks red in color, used as a food ingredient or as a to make, can be used for making a natural dye. These are the colors from different part of the plant, from root, leaves, flower, pistil, stem, etc. The color can be obtained from these after processing on it can give you a color. In this figure, you can see a thread. Thread can be made from those thread can be colored from those plant product, stem, leaves, flower, root, etc. After certain process, undergoing certain process, it gives a attractive color to the thread. Now artificial colors. Artificial color. William Henry Perkin invented an artificial dye in 1856. 1856 he invented a artificial dye. Artificial dye are classified into many types on the basis of chemical properties and solubility. Artificial dyes can be classified on the basis of properties and its solubility. But in your class 9, there are no need to study their classification. Only keep remember there are lots of types of dyes, artificial dyes present. Petroleum product and minerals are used in these dyes. Now, from where the artificial dyes are made of, it's made from petroleum product. Petroleum product. See, this is the agriculture farm of Kashmiri saffron. These are the Kashmiri saffron flowers. Saffron flowers are those. The saffrons can be cultivated from here. This is the petroleum product from which colored artificial dye can be prepared. The petroleum product which usually um, obtained from the earth crust, after certain process on it gives a artificial dye. Okay, the dye can be synthesized in laboratory of different attractive color and can be used for better use. We regularly use artificial color on Rang Panchami, decorating the house by painting. Okay, we regularly use artificial color on Rang Panchami, decorating the house by painting. The red color used on Rang Panchami is very dangerous. It contains a high portion of mercury in it. These poses risks like blindness, skin cancer, asthma, itching of the skin, permanent blocking of sweat, pores, etc. Therefore, it is necessary that artificial color are used cautiously. Now, on Rangapanchami, everyone knows that we play a color. Okay, we put color on each other's. But if the artificial color are used in Rangapanchami, or decorating our house on the Diwali occasion or whatever the occasion on festivals we decorate the house by painting. If we use the artificial color, then it is very harmful. Like if we use a red color, then red color contain a maximum portion of mercury, and mercury is a harmful element, harmful substance. So if we use red color in high proportion, it is very dangerous for us since it contain a mercury in it. This poses risk. What are the different diseases? What that is different causes of artificial color are, it may cause a blindness. It may cause a permanent blindness to our eyes. It may cause a skin cancer, asthma, itching of skin. Itching of skin, many of you might have experienced the itching of skin after playing a color in Ranga Panchami. The permanent blocking of sweat pores. Sweat pores, the sweat came out through the pores from our skin. They may got permanently blocked. And if the sweat is not coming out of our body, the sweat is the excretion. It's the waste material. If it does not come out of our body, you may get different disease and skin cancer and skin problem. Therefore, it is told that it is necessary the use of artificial color is cautiously. Use very cautiously those artificial color. We have to keep the precautions in our mind for while using those artificial color. Uses and adverse effect. What are the uses of those artificial color are, the artificial color can be used for coloring cloth and hair. Hair can be colored through using those artificial color. The clothes can be colored. The fluorescent colors are used to make street boards that are visible at night. The boards, like the boards in market, you means have seen the lighting and the boards in market. Those are made from the artificial color. Okay. The dye are used to polish leather shoes, purses, and chappals. The dye also used to polish. Now, what are those materials? What are those objects we polish? We polish shoes, purse, chappals, etc., which contain artificial dye. Now, how does it affect the effects of artificial dye? Dyeing hair can have adverse effect like hair fall, damage to the hair structure, burning of skin, adverse effect on eye, etc. If you dye hair, see the figure, see the image I given here. The lady is having a disease due to the hair color. Understood? The hair color may cause the hair fall, hair structure. It makes the hair brown, very black, white, color change, permanently change the color of your hair. It may burn the skin. It may burn the skin. It may also affect to your eyes since the head is very close to your eyes and eyes is very sensitive part of our body. So it may affect the eyes also. Lipstick contain a dye named carmine. Lipstick contain a dye named carmine. There are different colored of lipstick present in the market which contains dye called carmine. It does not affect lips but causes stomach disorder. Since if once the lipstick is gone inside your stomach, it may cause stomach disorder. Okay, so use of lipstick should be limited and cautiously. Excessive use of plants for making natural dye results in deterioration of the environment. So if you use excessive color, the color is got from the natural plant, natural color got from the natural plant. Hence, to get such a color, we may cut various plants, various trees. So it may result in deterioration, destruction of the environment. So in today's lecture, what we had discussed, we first of all we discussed about the science National Science Day. You may go and see the YouTube videos related to the National Science Day, how it is celebrated, why it is celebrated, what is the Raman effect. Okay, what are those prizes got by the Raman? Why? What is Nobel Prize, etc. Then in our syllabus we discussed today is colors in food, or you may call chemicals in food. The chemicals in your food or in every object are found in vegetable, fruits, cloth, shining atoms, everything. Okay. So those colors should be natural and should not be hazardous to our life, should not be harmful to our life. Okay. The harmful effect of that artificial food colors we saw, it may causes the disease like ADHD in children. Okay. Then next we saw the dye. Dye means color that is naturally and artificially, from where we got the natural dye, from where we got the artificial dye. Understood? Where, what are the different uses of dye, where in the different areas we use dye, then its harmful effect and uses we saw. Okay. Thank you. In this way we end our lecture today. Hello. Hello, madam. Hello. Hello, Almas madam. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Almas madam. Hello.
Yes, thank you so much, Gautam sir, for your lecture.
Okay, madam.